it going, everybody? It's TG here. We are in Tacoma, Washington at Kaiser Motorsports. We're here to talk with Matt and his team to see what cars they've been working on for the week. So let's go inside and check it out.
Fuel injection, the blower, we did the fuel injection on it. It just got painted at Marciano's, done in liquid, you put paint on it.
The blue short bed single cab truck is probably my favorite one I've gotten to do, just because it's the most entailed build. I mean, I've touched every single nut and bolt and wire and everything on that truck. We built the entire thing. Basically drove in here with stock engine and transmission, and that's probably my favorite, just because you get a customer that trusts you and knows what they want and knows you can deliver it with excellence. Pretty fun to get to do that type of a build for somebody.
At 877 horsepower at 8,200 RPM, 601 foot-pounds of torque on pump gas, 992 horsepower at 8470, 646 foot-pounds. SAE pump gas versus E85 flex fuel tune on this GT500.